Thanks for joining me again. Let's talk about pairing that rhythm that we learned this last time with the right hand and the left hand together to make a cool intro. This is how we start and end the song. So first off, let's review. We've got Percy Jackson, demigod, a hero type with a sword. Oh, what a guy, yeah, we love Percy Jackson, demigod, a hero type with a sword. Oh, what a guy, yeah, we love. We're going to modify this slightly to make an intro. And what we're going to do is we're going to take that D chord and we're going to play the first two notes, the D and the F sharp, but with our middle and top finger so that we can grab the A, the top note, with our thumb. This is still a D chord, but it's inverted. And we're going to go from here to a B flat in root position, which is black, white, white. B flat, D, and F. So we learned the rhythm on the left hand the last time. This time we're going to put it on the right hand. We play this chord twice. Then we add our rhythm, demigod. And then we switch to our B flat, demigod. Those are going to go right into each other. So demigod, demigod. One more time. Demigod, demigod. You may need to practice that transition to make sure that it's super quick. From here, the middle finger stays, your pinky drops, your thumb raises. Once we do that demigod right back to back, we do a rest and then repeat that rhythm still on the B flat. So the intro is going to sound like this. And the left hand, we're just going to play an octave at the beginning of every set of the right hand. So together it will sound like this. Pretty cool, right? Let's do it again. 1, 2, ready, go. Now notice there is a little bit of a pause. We're still doing that rhythm, but just keeping it inside of our head. Percy Jackson, demigod, a hero type with a sword. Oh, what a guy. And that is our intro. We do have a small change up for the second time through. So we play it like normal. And instead of just repeating that D chord, we're going to just play a power chord, which is our B flat and F, the outer edges of that B flat. And then we're going to go down by white notes on the top. So from F, down to E, down to D. So the second time through, here's what it'll sound like. Nice. Now notice with each of these, they are staccato, which means they bounce. It's not hold it down and play, it's a quick play, and that gives it some energy. So let's play through the entire intro or outro with staccato style. 1, 2, ready, go. Excellent. Now we've got that intro. We've really got a feel for the song. This is also how we'll end the song. So we're in a really good spot. Thanks for joining me today. Next week, we'll really dive into the melody of the song, and then we'll work on pairing it together. Thanks for sticking with me. Hope to see you again soon.